Oh, it's good. Everyone, I'm eating yogurt right now, but I'm just gonna do it my quick trade recap. So today is or it was June 10th. This is June 11th right now. I was busy all day. Um, my day consisted of going to work in the morning. It's funny, I took this trade when I was at work. So I was driving to go to work. Got what I wanted. And I had time to kill. So I literally opened up the chart and what did I just click? Oh, here. I think I opened the chart. It was right before this inversion here. It was like around here. So actually, I opened up at 10. So right after my ideal trading time when I would enter a trade. So I didn't really have them. Ideally, this was yes, in my opinion, was the bullish index at first. When I opened the chart, it was showing me that we're bullish. I didn't really take too much time, but market opened here and we just waked up all the way. We pushed down here and we did a pullback. So let me see where equilibrium is, just so I have an idea, because mind you this was such a rapid trade. So we pushed down, and mind you this, I believe we had a, where was I? 9:30 here. Oh, this push down, so that was at 9:55. 4, 3, and 9:55 here. 2, yeah, so you see we had an inversion, which made me feel we're going to be bullish, still maintaining bullish market structure. We took the trade on NQ. You can see it. Let me show you. I didn't upload it to TradeZell. Actually, let me do that right now. I'm probably not going to write notes on today, just because I got to get into paper trading. I tried to take it on my funded account. We got a funded account, but I couldn't log in time, and I was like, you know what, fuck it, it doesn't matter. I need to record this trade regardless. I gotta record it, whether it's because my thing is I'm not in a rush to get a payout, and I'm not in a rush to become consistently profitable, because this is like such a long process. I'm okay with taking my time. I really am, because if I expand my time horizon, realistically, it's gonna shrink, because I'm just willing to take on those losses. But back to my point. Here we took our longs. So I'll tell you why I thought this was a more bearish index. But off yesterday's trade, I couldn't enter, but I would have won, I believe. Yeah, I did win, but I couldn't enter the trade. So fuck. I gotta. So here we are. So I believe we had an inversion right before here. Was this it? I hate that fucking feature. Let me go on bar replay just so I can get this. Here. So I'll show you. I wanted to take longs because we have these two higher time frame draws. We have the 4 hour and the 1 hour. So my TP1 was 70% closing my position. Actually, I believe I had multiple take profits. I had one at this high. I had 3 take profits, but one was super small. It's just to go break even at this high at 70%, and then the remaining 30% was closed up here. Kind of top tick that shit too. It was a really good trade in my opinion. Followed my strategy perfectly. I waited for the inversion on the, in this case, I believe this was more bullish, but I waited on the bearish inversion, which was this, what is that, 2 minute? 2 minute. So it was right here. I was waiting for the inversion. I don't know why I stretched it so far. Realistically, it should have been right here. Entered the trade. I wanted to take the trade on here, but you could see how close we were to the draw here, or right here. That's my 70%. I didn't want to take it, so I took it here, 70% there, full TP there. Mind you this, it was a, let me see. Oh, how much did I make on that trade? I didn't make that much, so I made about just short of 900. Wasn't a crazy RR. It was a 1-to-1, but I was so confident in the trade. Took my 2 TPs, which was clean. Got the inversion on the bearish index. I entered on the bearish index because yesterday I had an experience of I couldn't enter the trade because I wanted to take it on the index that was going in the main direction, which is a part of my rules. But I realized if I took it on the other index, I would have won the trade as well. And when they're both relatively in sync, I'm realizing that I can take it on the other index, even though it just doesn't have that like that ferocity as the primary index that's leading. So it's a little bit riskier, but if you can't take a trade at all, and it's like they're very close together, because these two indexes were following each other like bread and butter. Like it was so close, but just I don't know. That's my experience. Don't take my advice. This is not trading advice. This is all on demo as well. I'm making that very clear. I'm not rich by no means. Um, but let's continue this. So got the inversion entered right here. Set stop to this low because I believe we did have a 1 minute protecting it as well, but it's nothing I would consider. Yeah, we had this like little tiny little 1 minute here, but we rejected off that 1 minute. So ideally we want to push up. I thought we were about to get stopped out, and then just price reversed, hit TP1 and 2, and that was my trade on the day. Nothing crazy. It was, I was just following my rules. Actually, you know what? Let me get this for the thumbnail. But yeah, that was really it, man. I've been thinking about this YouTube video all day. I didn't read today, unfortunately. I did hit my cardio when I did hit legs, but my leg day was honestly shit. I just felt like nothing today. But yeah, that's really it. Honestly, it was a really good trade. All I gotta say.